Hmm. Wait 1 second. There we go. Can everyone hear me? Yes. Perfect. Let's get started. Let's do some Asian trading because I need to delay the time. Let's figure out if there's anything here. Okay, let me show the screen. We're currently trying to pull up here. I don't know necessarily if I buy this, but we obviously have liquidity down here. We do have liquidity down here. Wait. There we go. Yeah, we're good. All right. We good? Yes. Looks like we're pulling up with some force. We've had 4 candles right here pulling up with some force. Let me see. 500. I do believe this is the higher likelihood liquidity right here that we're going to pull up to. We're probably going to pull up to here and move back down. That would be my prediction. So I really want to just wait till we get somewhere near here. Until then, you can take long trades. Let's see. I feel like it's semi-safe to take trades up to here. That does not mean that price potentially won't pull back. But until then, you can just take some, you could look to see if it holds and moves up. Again, not really any clear. This is our previous high and low right here. Let me go and draw it. Let me write inside low. There we go. Can I clone? There we go. Perfect. So pull it up to where I thought it would go to the very minimum. This could have been a potential entry right there for a 1 to 2. I just don't feel comfortable when it doesn't give a great setup. This one would have been better right here, continuing that strong trend. Okay, let's see. So for previous inside high. Let me change this. Let's do 75. There we go. What's up, guys? How are we doing today? I'm doing some Asian session trading. I honestly just don't feel like trading tomorrow afternoon. So I'm going to go ahead and get it done tonight. See if I could get a setup today. The setup comes up. I scalp on the tick. So this is the tick time frame. I'm not trading on the minute. For anyone that's learning to trade or have any questions about it, go ahead and feel free to ask. I got to update this win rate and stuff. It's not accurate for this account. Also, to add some more clarification for anyone watching, this balance, it's top step. This is the challenge one. You are missing out. Missing out on what? I did just get finished watching the World Cup game, by the way. That was a really, really good game. I didn't really care who won, but it was a really good game. If anyone watches the World Cup. Golden frying pan. I don't think I've seen it. I don't think I've ever played Team Fortress 2 once in my life. I've seen it. I've desperately want to play it, but I'm pretty sure I have to play with mods now, right? That's all I do outside of this is... You don't have to play with mods with TF2? Like Team Fortress 2? I know you probably meant something else, but that reminded me of that game. Missing out on thousands of dollars. You can? Oh, okay. No, I just remember someone told me that played it. They said there's too many like hackers and stuff on it. Okay, this is just went outside of my screen. I cannot actually see what's going on, so we're gonna go to the 2000 time frame, which is easier to tell what's going on. There you go. I don't know why my camera's blurry. 1 second. Yeah, oh, okay. Okay, that's good then. Yeah, I guess the person was lying. I play primarily, if anyone plays the finals, that's one of my favorite games. I play the finals and Rocket League. Those are my two favorite games I play. Favorite's a strong word for Rocket League. To most games. I don't play it that much anymore. Let's see what's going on here. That looks like it could potentially show some weakness here. A short pullback. If anyone does have any questions though, please let me know about like actual trading. I'm fine answering any questions for any new people. I have a video that went up that explained my whole strategy. Very poorly titled, and I'll be honest, a very poor thumbnail, but I gave it about 20 minutes. I don't really try any of this YouTube stuff. I'm not selling anything. Oh, the Whatnot thing, that's an app that I use primarily. If that's what you mean, that's the only thing. It's not even a support code, realistically. It's just a support link, and it gives me $10. It gives you $10, most likely $10. Yeah. But it's kind of like TikTok for buying. That's the best way to explain it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And I'll prove it. Like, look. You could the main thing I like about it is I could passively enter giveaways while I'm trading, and that's what I do. So I like enter these giveaways while I trade, but I bought so much stuff on it. So much. Everything I bought though, just be careful, there are scams on it. You have to be careful if you do want to do it, but not really a force. It's more so if you like the app or either way. That's the only promotion I ever done and ever will do, probably. I don't sell courses. I won't ever sell courses. The main reason I stream is because I want people to think of it this way. The main reason I stream is it keeps you on track. You can't take impulsive trades or stupid trades if you stream when you're trading. Yeah. So if I'm streaming while trading, it keeps me from trading poorly like I have some days outside of stream. But when I stream, I typically do pretty well, which is helpful. We grabbed the high. We didn't grab the high. It looks like we're breaking down, but that's not with enough force for me. It's taking 2 candles to get down to 1. So maybe a few more candles. It's a strong candle. It's not a great market to jump into. I'm going to be honest. I didn't look at the market before getting in here. This 100% has the potential to grab right here. I don't foresee it coming back into here. I could see it grabbing this by 1 pip and then working its way down. Let me fix it for you guys. I had a really good days in a row, and then I had a really bad day. I've had to put a market limit loss to prevent myself from trading bad, because I have one day every like 4 months, 3 months that just takes out my whole account. And I blame a lot of it on now what I mean by take out my whole account, takes out all the profit I made on the account. That specific account. This is my challenge account. I also have my funded account right here. My funded account's down 229. I prefer to only trade my funded account during New York hours. But that's one. I lost $400, $200 for the past 2 days, so I've been stopped out for the past 2 days. I've lost 4 trades in a row, so hopefully my win will come. The market on Thursday was really bad. Friday, I just made 2 mistakes. TF2, I need to try that game. I played Overwatch a lot, and I know Overwatch is based off TF2. But the finals is like, I like very fast-paced shooting games. So that's why I like the finals so much. I also used to like advanced. I'm one of the lovers of Advanced Warfare, other than the loot system. If you've ever played Advanced Warfare in the past for Call of Duty, I hated the loot system, but I love the movement. Give me 1 second. I gotta go get my dog. But yeah, no problem. I'll definitely, not necessarily on stream, but I'll definitely try it. I've been wanting to find more games anyway. And I have that actually on my list. I have like a list of games to try. Scout and Engineer. Okay. Are you one of the people that's been playing TF2 for like years upon years upon years? Like, because I feel like that has a very dedicated fan base that's played since the game came out. It's kind of like Rocket League, right? All the people that started in 2015 hate it, but can't quit. Oh, okay. Give me 1 second, I get my dog in. I'll make you guys enjoy the be back soon screen. Oh, never mind, it broke. Nope. Oh, my be back soon screen broke. That sucks. Oh my gosh, I think my dog... Oh. I think my dog pooped. That was awful. Ugh. See how this reacts. It failed to make a new high. Usually when that happens, when it fails to make a new high, it likes to come down for liquidity down here. So all that means is the area stop out, but I might be wrong. Nope. It's coming up. I might be inclined.
Order filled.
I'm inclined to take a little small stab at this. See if that works out. I'm in this trade for 10 contracts. I usually stream, kind of ranges, usually afternoon on New York session. Early morning, I just kind of want to keep quiet to myself if I trade. This one I'm not going to be targeting that far. I might actually only target to this gap. But we'll see if it can come down to my 200 goal. I still believe this will come up. So I only want to catch a small move here. Let's see. You know, if it comes down, it should come down from here. If it doesn't, then I'll get stuffed out. Okay. I'm not that confident in this, so I want to move my stop to a break even very quick. Let's see. I'm going to keep my stop where it is. My take profit where it is. So my risk was $85 originally. Profit is $215, so around a 2.4 risk reward. If it comes down more, I knew it would probably only come down to this little gap right here before breaking out. But I was hoping it would come down lower to give me a 1 to 2. It didn't. That's fine. There you go. Let me fix that. All right. That's unfortunate. Making its way back up. We'll see how this reacts here. Closes this gap. Potential for coming back down. Targeting. This is the low. High. I still believe it's going to come down here, but I may be wrong. We'll see if we get a bearish engulfing candle. I might re-enter. Even on this bullish movement.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try it. 15. That's not a great trade, but I'm hoping it will show me a very fast move down. It doesn't even give me a 1 to 2. That's not good. Little. Hey. I'm gonna get stopped out here.
Order filled.
Yeah. That's not a great trade. I was hoping that it would hold and give me some sort of retest near the high of this range, but it didn't. But I was trading without confirmation. That's fun. NASDAQ. So I'm on NASDAQ right now. Not 15-second time frame. It just moves very quickly. It's the 100 ticks. So I have the... See, can I switch it? You can see the ticks. These are my start. Nighttime I trade 2,000 ticks is my higher time frame, with 100 is my lower, and then during the day on New York it's the 5,000 with the 100. It just grabbed liquidity right here. If this shows me a setup, I'm definitely going in. It didn't. It's just breaking straight up. That sucks. Yeah, it's been tough out here to get a good trade for me. Let's see if this holds. Oh, sorry. Wrong one. It closed. Is it closing below? Limit sell. Let's do 10 up here. Hope I get some sort. So I have 10 contracts for entry up here. Oh man, it's not doing anything that I want to see it do. It's moving down way too quick. That's not even a good setup. This is gonna come back up. I don't even want to put that. Whoa, what a rejection. Grab the liquidity here.
Order filled.
Let's see if that works out, I guess. So we'll probably come back down and give me another setup. Give me another retrace. How much I'm risking? 135. I'm fine with that. 135 to get 300. Bullish trend, grab the liquidity. I don't believe it's going to come all the way up, but it usually always comes up to retest that gap. So that's my expectation. I just want to see it retest that gap before it moves down lower right here. 1 second. I thought that said something else for a second. There you go. Let's see if it moves up higher here. Okay. Let this move itself. Give me some move, please. Movement. I need to see more than that. It's not even at a 1 to 2 yet. 1 to 2, I'm moving it below the candle. Oh, sorry, it's not even showing on the screen. I'm getting stopped out. Oh, no, I did not get stopped out. That's great. It's fantastic. He gave me a 1 to 2. I gotta make a decision now if I want to exit. No, we're not going to. We're gonna let this move to my take profit. Okay. Stop loss at a 1 to 2.
Order filled.
All right. I'm up 69. I got a 1 to 2 on that trade. Ugh. Wow, what a number. Love that being the number. It came up to where I think it needed to go. I don't really like where we're currently at. I knew we were going to have a retest. That's fine, but I don't like the setup it's giving me, even though I do think we're going to move down. Respectfully. So that's 1 break even, 1 loss, 1 win today. Maybe it wasn't a 1 to 2. I think it was a 1 to 1.5 actually. I thought I was risking 105. Maybe it was 150, 140. Because I should be up more than 69 if that was 1 to 2. No, I guess fees. I'm risking 10 contracts, so fees and commission would have got me out. Okay, no, that's fine. We'll see where this decides to go. If it decides to hold, it's going to move back up. It looks like that's what it's doing. We're still in a bullish trend, so I don't really want to enter a sell position yet until it shows some sort of reversal. So I need to see more than this one rejection right here, because we're still in this upward trend. This is the previous high and low that we see right there. So that would be my target. It's not necessarily down here. Not down here, but like probably right here. It would be a target if I see an entry. But it looks like we are holding right here on this left side right here, and we're breaking off pretty strongly from here. So we'll see how this reacts. My key area that I want to see it hold, I want to see how it reacts right here. If it reacts with bearish force, I might take another stab at it. If it starts to hold right here, then I'm just gonna exit. Let me see. That does give me a setup as well. So if this closes below this point, then I'll also enter a sell. Do I want to do this to myself? I do.
Order filled.
We're gonna go ahead and enter that sell and see how far it goes. 52. I'm gonna have to try it. I don't like this entry, but I'm gonna have to do it. It fits my strategy too much. I don't like this entry at all, though. So my stops up here, I risked half position sizing. My risk is literally still going to be less. I'll still be in profit if I lose this trade.
Order filled.
Okay, cool. Half position sizing there. I probably won't do anything tonight, and then tomorrow I have doctorate stuff to do for my program. But because I can't frequently, but you can send the code if you would like. I just don't have that much time on my hand. I probably will play it like on free time, but I do have it on my Steam's list. Let me see if I can show you guys. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I just have so much. I haven't even been able to play. I wrote, I have lost count. I think it was 8 10-page papers this past 2 weeks. 10-page research papers. Losing my mind. Okay, we'll see. It came up higher here. Oh, that sucks. That's not what I want to saw. Dude, what are the fees? Yeah, not fun. I have a few more to write. I gotta finish my thesis, my dissertation. Sorry. I did all the research for my dissertation. I gotta finish that up before the end of summer. Oh, this thing just came straight up. That's not good. That's not what I want to see at all. I'm 2 losses right now, 1 win, 1 break even, for anyone wondering. This gonna grab this. If this grabs this liquidity right here, it's gonna come down to fill this gap, and I'm very inclined to enter. It did grab. I'm very inclined to enter another partial sizing, I think. Let's see.
Order filled.
Go ahead and enter this. If it's going to come down, it's going to come down very quickly. I don't want to see any sort of retest here. That's why I'm only risking
Order
50.
filled.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. Still believe this could come down, but we'll do this. Okay, if this breaks below here, I'm entering full position size now. Those have been half. Because if this does close below this point, then I believe fully that's going to come down for this gap. No longer anymore. That's fine. Man, that's a lot of strength right there. Holding above. Forming a gap. I don't know where this could potentially go. I don't really have a clear idea of why it's bouncing off here other than this area on the left. Yeah, I just don't have a clear idea. We don't really have anything holding this up at all. Again, if anyone has any questions about this, please let me know. I'm happy to answer. Gmail, I do not have a personal use Gmail. I only have my school one. You can just send it over the... I wouldn't even send it over the chat. It might honestly just might be best to not. P&L. Oh, what's my P&L yield? Year to date. My P&L year to date is only 5,000, 4,000. It's not much. I don't do this full time at all. I am a very my trading style, it's here. I do trade a lot, but it could have been a lot better this year. A lot better this year. Way better. It really sucks because I have the days that every trader does, which is going on tilt. I had a way that fixed the tilt and then I got lazy. Just be honest, I got tired from school and class. But my strategy works really well. The sample size, trying to think. Probably a lot. It's not, if you're asking about my win percentage over that time, probably around 43% on top step accounts. Not only top step personal accounts as well, but yeah, like 43% risking around 1 to 1.8. So I'm barely in the profit zone. But if you go to my actual stat accounts, it's which not really defensive, a lot of careless mistakes and a lot of impulsive entries. Yeah. Well, 43% win rate is not bad. As long as you have above a 1.5 risk reward. It's not bad, but you just won't make much. It's a lot of it is from impulse trading. Yeah, I have a video on my channel or the previous live stream before this one that explains every nuance with it. When you trade my strategy correctly, it has a really... I back tested, I forward tested it, I ran statistical analysis on it. I did a lot of statistical analysis. I did a also a standard error, and the amount of trades I back tested and forward tested, both separate entries on it. The standard error of deviation would only be about 5%, 4%. From the win rate. The win rate was 63% for all these trades I traded correctly, if that makes sense. For forward testing, that fits my strategy 100%, risking a 1 to 2, and that's up or minus 5%. Because I only did that for 200 and I got busy. It does. I do have my TikTok listed on there if you want to send it through that. It does. I have it listed on YouTube. If you want to send it through that, that's fine. Dude, this thing is just going to continue going up, isn't it? Should break down from here. I don't really want to see this thing come past this point right here. Sorry, guys. Let's see how this reacts. I want to see how this reacts around this entry. We do have this order block here, but I'm not buying it. I don't believe this one will hold. I don't really trade order blocks either. I don't know what that does, and I don't know why Top Step does that shit. It bugs me so much. It basically will do these little grabs. I trade gold too. I just don't do it as frequently. It's been moving. I've been struggling with gold more so. Reading the direction recently. It's just been very sloppy. Like, this is clean, yes, but if you scroll out, this is not clean. It's just consolidation. So I haven't been trading gold recently. Let's see how this reacts. Yeah, but gold is nice when it's moving. When it's not moving, it is basically just throw my account away. MNQ I can read a lot better because it's a lot easier to predict market opens. A collection off gold stuff. Yeah, so that's the oh, if you're talking about the whatnot thing, that's it should give you something for it, some credit for the app. If that's what you're talking about. That's at least what it said to me. I've done it once with my friend, and it gave me a $10 bonus, and they got a $10 bonus, so I have no clue if that's what you're talking about. I don't know if they changed that, but it still says on my app that whenever you refer someone or do that promotional code, whatever that is, it says, oh, okay. I was very confused what you're saying. Yeah, it says your friend receives a credit. Okay, I was very confused. Sorry. I thought you were trying to do that. I was like, oh, okay. If anyone has any questions about the strategy, I do have a live stream. I also have a video that goes over my strategy. It's very informal, so it just goes over a lot of nuances. It's more lecture heavy, I guess. That's my dog in the background if you see her. But yeah, it's very, I think it goes over in a way that's very easy to understand, which is nice. That's gonna make me take an entry here, isn't it? Oh, thank God. I did not want to have to take an entry. But yeah, if anyone has any questions, let me know. I feel like I'm the only person trading Asian session tonight, I'm pretty sure. Which is probably a good thing. Bullish. Looks like it's giving me an entry, sadly. I really don't want to enter this. Oh, thank God. There's like some entries that I have to take because it fits the strategy, but I really just don't want to enter it. But it destroys my, it changes my win rate if I don't enter it. For example, this one, we're in a bullish trend. There's a little entry gap right here that I would have to take if it holds above. Right above that gray box we have. Okay, let's see if we get an entry. We might not. This thing might go straight up. I could have entered immediately, but the issue with entering that far away is it just gives me such a poor risk to reward for how far I think this thing would go. If we look at it, like, I don't believe really that I would want to trade this above this point. So that's why my entry is a lot lower right here. You can see this line. That's my entry for the trade. For a
Order
short long.
filled.
So we'll see if it gives me a move up. It's not a strong entry, but it is an entry. It sucks that it's not a strong one. I'm gonna get stopped out here.
Order filled.
Luna, what are you doing? Is that a... Please tell me this isn't another one. Thank God. Coming down at this point, that's what I'm viewing this as. We're going to move down, come fill this gap that we didn't fill earlier. Is what my expectation is. Maybe we'll grab this liquidity up here and move down. Who knows? I don't want to full send anything, but it's getting to the point because my market limit loss is at 550,000 that in order to save this account, I need to. I hate fucking the market limit loss, the movement of it. It's so stupid. That's why they call it a top step challenge, though. Oh, man. Couldn't find this person. It's... I think it's my old name on TikTok. Let me see what it is. No, it's the same thing. It's Feudo Futures on TikTok as well. Same exact thing on there. I don't know what I want to do, guys. This thing is... It's giving me mixed signals. I do believe we're going to move down here. I might have to just take an entry. I'm going to take a partial entry here. And then if it comes up and grabs this liquidity, then I might be interested in taking a long move. But my expectation is for it to at least fill this gap. So I don't mind risking very little for it to fill this gap. It's not a great risk reward. That's not even a great trade, but we'll see if it works out. If this candle fails, then if not, if this candle doesn't fail, creating a lower low or creating a lower low before this high, then I'm going to exit. Get out of here. Why does it keep cutting this off, dude? This is bad. Showed me so much weakness. Okay. Let's pray that this thing moves down. By pray, I mean I have an idea it will. So I'm not really that worried right here because I'm going to add to the position. Increasing my average in a second. This is the first time created a lower low. This is the high. Let's go ahead and take the risk.
Order filled.
I'll exit 5. Let's see if this works out. Checking highs and low. This is the first low. This is the previous high. There's always a chance that it come up and grab. It looks like we're doing that. That sucks so much. Okay. I know I'm really risking this, guys.
Order filled.
There you go. All right. Let's just hope it doesn't... Oh, this is miserable. That's not the move you want to see. This thing just gave such a strong move. Not liking
Order
that.
filled.
Excuse me? Oh, I forgot to... That's fine. I'm trading so bad right now. That's okay. Oh, it's just a... That was a hope entry. Okay, what's the... Trends up, we're bullish, right? We're holding. Man, dude. It held. It's just hard for me, dude. I'm counter churn trading it, thinking it's going to come back to these gaps. I think the issues, I can't tell if these gaps are Top Step made or actual market made, because Top Step will make those gaps. All right, so we're holding here.
Order filled.
I need to get something out of this, man. Yeah, we'll see if this gets us set up. Let me look at the 2000, see how high I think this thing can go. I think this is as high as it will go. It's at the break even. I need at least a 1 to 2 here. This is going to be the entry for a sell, isn't it?
Order filled.
Yeah, that's going to be the entry for the sell, almost 1 billion%.
Order filled.
Let's try it one more time and see if I could get any profit out of the day. This is just bad so far. Yeah. What? I don't know why my messages are open. There you go. I followed back. Just gonna give me the move I want to see. Can I get something back today? Jesus Christ. Targeting a 1 to 4 right now. I wouldn't be surprised if this comes up one more time and tries to get me out, but this is the ideal perfect setup right here. I'm just hoping that it makes a longer move down. I desperately need this to stay in this trade. I might add to the position. This is the only good trade I'm going to get today.
Order filled.
Add 1 into the position, and we'll add 2 if it comes back up to here. I hope it doesn't. That gives me up to 321. I'll be down 200. That's fine with me. We need to see how it reacts. This is the important area. We need to see a straight breakthrough right here without a retest. This is like a strong order block right here that we need to see it not break off of. No bullish engulfing candle, or I might have to just exit and then re-enter. Fuck. I'm waiting. Sorry, guys, if I'm quiet right now. I'm just focusing. Fuck.
Order filled.
I'm gonna wait for a retest to see how it reacts off of it. It's not what I wanted to see. Man, I'm struggling today. That's what I get for risking 200 per trade usually. Oh my god, it's coming back down. I should have known. Jesus. Oh. I need to look at the 2000 to see how this is reacting. I mean, it's reacting very weak to this. Oh, I would be very dumb to enter any sort of position here that's not a short. I should have just held it. Ah, that sucks. I'm not going to enter. This risk reward would be bad. Even though I want to. This would be really, really bad. Like a 1 to 1 point, a 1 to 0.07. But it's coming down to here, and I know it is. Fine. Can I get some sort of retest first? 2000 moving down. Oh, I'm so negative today. This is bad. This is luckily I'm not trading my funded account, which I would be risking way less, but this is gonna hold, pull back up maybe. Play fill the gap. Yeah, there's the fill of the gap. It's a little setup right here. Oh man, I would be so dumb to enter that though. We're so bearish. No, not anymore. I thought that would hold. That's not even part of my setup. Coming back down, retesting back into the high and low of the liquidity. Moving back in. I want to see this grab into this gap right here. And then I'm probably just gonna have to go all in at this point. It's gonna show me one more bearish move. It never does it on the first try. I'm definitely just gonna go all in on this with this because my market limit loss is at 50,000. So I gotta be very careful. Give me a setup here, please. Jesus Christ. That scared the crap out of me, guys. That scared me so much. Like, we're showing so much weakness right now that I feel like it would be very dumb to just take a sell. I mean, to take a buy, but at the same time, we're still within the trend. This is our previous highs and low. That I could believe it coming back up a little bit. But I'm not gonna tracking market structure. I don't think I could do that to myself. It's holding this order block too. Luna, come here.
Order filled.
Fuck it. See how high this can go, if it goes high at all. This might be gambling, but strong V shape right here. I don't really want to see this fail. Fuck me, dude. There you go. Oh, never mind. I got baited. I got jebaited so hard.
Order filled.
All right, guys. Well, this is going to be the end. I'm about to get stopped out, guys. It's okay.
Order filled.
We'll see. We'll see if we could make any profit here. This is my last attempt today, and then this account's in the wash. So I'm just going to be trading my normal funded account safely. This has just been too many trades. What you get for trying to pass challenges quick, right? Grab liquidity. We failed to grab the high again. This one rejects. It's just done for. Dude. I don't even know how high this thing could potentially even go. Next red candle, I'm out. I'm not even going to try to inhibit how high this thing can go. Because I need as much as I possibly could get here. The next red candle, I am 100% out. Alright, this could be a red candle, isn't it? Dude, what in the world? It's still moving healthy, so I guess I'll hold it. I need it.
Order filled.
I'm getting out. I need the cash there, like, so I don't get stuffed out today. It's just been bad trading. This time I don't want it to. Good exit, I guess. It's technically a setup. Question of if I want to enter it or not. I'm not doing 10. I'm going to do... Oh, wow. It's just moving straight down. Never mind. That's a crazy move down. Directly where I thought it would go down to. See if we could get a move. I don't think this is going to come any higher. I could be wrong, but I'm hoping it will come higher. I like the setup a lot. Oh, that's not even a setup. Never mind. I'm completely wrong. So this reacts. It's going to grab this liquidity right here. That's not a bad risk reward, and we're still bullish. Let's see how this closes.
Order
Okay,
filled.
we're going to enter, and we're going to do 2.
Order filled.
Just hope they can move up. Risking 200 to get 400. Maybe a little bit less. We'll see how it reacts right here. This is the important area. We need to break this high. If it breaks that high, then I have a higher, pretty certain it's going to move up to here. Also, once it breaks the high, my stop's going to break even. I can't really afford to lose anything else today. On this, this is a funded account, by the way. I'm not a fund account. This is a challenge account, so I have a market limit loss of 50,000. I've been playing this one very, very risky. This isn't based off my normal strategy either. It's just based off the typical setup that I saw right here. So that's why I entered on it. I'm hoping that this thing will break up higher. Just keep on moving. Honestly, I hope it will break all the way up here, but I don't want to be that confident. Do I want to move my stop yet? $191. Oh, thank you. There you go. I don't like what that's doing at all. This needs to hold right here. I don't like how this is moving at all. This is a gap right here. I should not close below the gap. Can guarantee at least 35 on this, but I'm not liking how this is moving currently at all. Oh, I do not like that at all. Screw it. I'm moving that to 41. If it's going to break up, it needs to move up right now.
Order filled.
Okay. I'm not even stressed because of that. I'm just stressed. I'm stressed more so of the bad trading that I'm doing right now. It's just, it's disgusting. Can't even tell if that broke a high or not. No, it didn't. Okay. Failed twice to break up. That's okay. Broke down twice. It's giving me a setup, actually, that I might have to take as well. This is a higher likelihood setup, probably. Still bullish. We're still moving up. We're still breaking off this correctly.
Order filled.
Okay. I got it. Sorry about that. I'm just trying to recover this. Hey, Luna. I'm risking uneven sizes right now. This is part of my strategy, but I'm trading just stupid stuff. Thank you, I appreciate it. Oh, this is just bad. I can feel myself going a little bit on tilt, not to the point where I'm being analytical, but tilt in terms of not sticking to my strategy. I think I might need to call it a night. Just try to recover tomorrow on a really good trade. Risking all 500 on one trade. Trying to think of what I want to do. Breakdown. This isn't a good trade. Let's see how this reacts. I'm very worried that this thing's coming down, so I want to see how this thing reacts. If it comes straight up, that's okay. If it breaks this high, that even makes this trade stronger. I'm going to move this to break even. I'm going to let it just move. I'm not even going to touch this thing until it breaks that high on the left that you see. If it stops me out, it stops me out. If it starts breaking down, that's okay. I have more of a bearish bias on this currently, which it looks like it's actually holding the bearish bias. Let's see how this reacts. But yeah, I'm not touching this thing until it reaches my area. This is the area where I'll exit this trade if it reaches that. Otherwise, I'm getting stopped out for this one. Oh, you guys can't even see. Just realized that. Sorry, I got too much in the trading. It's gonna stop me out though.
Order filled.
It gave a good setup too. It's holding. Oh man, this is hard for me.
Order filled.
I need to probably just exit this and get off tonight. This has just been bad trading in general. This isn't even what I usually do. Yeah. It fits my strategy, that's the issue. But it just doesn't fit it well. It doesn't fit the strategy good enough for me. Jesus. My entry is too low. I would prefer
Order
to just
filled.
wait and see if it comes up and gives me a better entry. It's way too low. We're bullish as well. Oh, yeah, we're moving up as well. So I mean, I'm just struggling today. I don't know what the hell I'm thinking. This is not trading. I'm definitely. I'm gonna. Let me take a step back for a second. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay. Yeah, I'm on tilt. I just need to take a second back. I'm on tilt. I'm going to see if this trade comes out. If this doesn't, I'm done. I'm getting off. I'm going to see if this trade gets me a setup. Because I can feel myself going on tilt right now. Let me see this go a lot higher. We've held this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Creating a lower low. We even held that lower low. We're so far bullish too. All right, I got an idea.
Order filled.
Thank God it showed me a setup. We still need a break below here before I see any confirmation this is moving down. We need a break below this line, but God, it finally moved somewhere. I've had a bearish setup on this for a while, and then since we've came up to here and this move, and I chickened out on that move. So I'm not going to chicken out on this one. We're going to see where this goes. I would have liked to get in a lot lower. A lot lower. I mean, a lot higher, sorry. I have a target in place here. A target in mind. It's down here for 300. See if we could save this account a little bit today. This trading. Okay, it didn't give me a setup, which is good. We'll see how far this thing can move. It's gonna come all the way back up, isn't it? Oh, man. I don't know how to fit all this in the screen for you guys, but you can see how much it is right here, how bad my loss is today. Okay, 500 ticks. Oh, we're gonna have a retest back up. This should not come above this. This is a setup right here to move above this gap right here. So if anyone that takes scalps, this is not a bad scalp right here. Taking a small little scalp above here. That's never a bad scalp right there for a 1-to-1. It always comes back above that high when it consolidates. Back into the previous break of gap right here. I need to see this break lower, please. Give me a strong, strong move, please. Oh, we're at an order block here. I didn't even see that. All right. Well, I'm getting out. I need at least 200. Do I actually? Do I want to give up all that profit I just made? Chase 200. No, I really don't. Let's see if this thing moves down. It's moving up. It's coming back up to retest this gap up here. Which sucks. Maybe? Oh no, it didn't. Thank God. Okay. Is the break lower? Next green candle, I'm out. I'm going to be honest. Can't really afford losses right now. Okay, let me get out of here. Okay, we're gonna move this down. If it comes down, it comes down. If it stops me out, it stops me out. There you go. Let me get out of here. Next green candle, I'm out. There you go. This is gonna close
Order
green. Let me
filled.
get out of there. What a recovery. That was almost really bad, guys. Oh man, that was almost really bad today. That could have been really, really bad. It's what I get for being risky. 4 trades can take me out of my challenge. Basically make it, you have to get 4 times your amount. All right. Came back up, retested. I'm very curious to see how this moves. No, don't leave me, dog. Oh, you go over there. That's fun. I gotta shave. I gotta do everything. Holy crap, I'm looking scruffy. I wish I could do like a dual screen here. Just have a YouTube video or something on the background and then have the trade up here instead of my face. I could probably end up doing that, but... I'm really inclined to just go all in on a trade, but that would be pretty dumb. Showing me a setup here. I couldn't enter. It gave me a error sign. I need let me see. Give me 1 second, guys. What's my I need my hotkeys. Buy market, sell market. Buy market, sell market, confirm. Okay, I want to see how that works actually. So let's see what this does. So let's go to sell market. Oh, just pulls up layout. Cool. No, that changes the ticks. I guess it doesn't work. Oh, click the H button. Hotkey. Sell. No. I don't know how to make the hotkey work, so I'm gonna be honest. I'm just gonna stick with what I know. Clear. It says after creating a hotkey, click the H icon at the top left of the component of the training page. Top left. I don't see an H. I'm probably very blind. Well, I was trying to sell that anyway, but I spent too long on hotkeys. Oops. I was going to sell this thing all the way into this previous high over there. Let's see if this would have worked out that way. This will probably be grabbed before it reaches down to here, but who knows? If I would have entered that trade where I was planning to, let's see how this would have gone. There's no way, right? It would have given me a 1 to 2 already. Almost. A 1 to 2 is right here. So if it makes it down to there, that would have been the trade for me. Why was I messing around with hotkeys? Don't know. Let's go to MGC. See if there's anything better going on. Nope, the same old, same old. Oh, wait, this is actually good. This actually looks pretty good. Wait 1 second. Is that the breakdown? Yes. Okay, let's see how it reacts around here. And what's even better is I'm pretty sure that would be a liquidity grab if it comes up to here. Because this is the previous... Yeah, that would be. Let's see how it reacts here. Let me go back to my whatnot. Trying to trade that. Don't want that. Don't care about him. Hey, look, it was actually a setup too. I didn't see that. Previous high. We're in a bearish trend. This would be a stupid long entry. This is technically a setup, but we're in a bearish trend, so I'm not going to enter it. Even though it would have worked out. Let's go back to MAQ. I'm very interested to see what that does there. 132. I'm probably going to call it soon. Hit a 1 to 2. It just hit my 1 to 2 mark, guys. Would have been a 1 to 2 on the trade. This also is giving a it's very bearish, but it's giving me a setup as well right here for my strategy. I don't want to take an entry there though. That would be dumb. I'm just waiting to see how this reacts up here. And then I'm probably heading to bed, guys. And I might be live tomorrow. It depends when I get home. Alright, so retesting this. We'll see how this holds. Gold held it, so maybe this will hold it. Oh, good hold. I like that hold a lot. See if we can fill this gap. If we fill this gap, I might enter or stop by. Instead of impulse entries. It's a little bit high, though. Don't necessarily like how high that is. But we failed to grab the high. You know what? 5.
Order filled.
Take a little risk on this. See if it works out. The risk reward is too good. But we're in a bearish trend. Yeah, I assumed. That sucks. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, it looks good. Looks very good. All right, let's see how this reacts. This is a very important area for me. Right here. This is the important area to see how it holds. Look at it. Your farts smell terrible, girl. We'll see if this works out. Fake enthusiasm. Okay. Oh my god. It's holding. It's not what you want to see. But what are we bouncing off of? We're bouncing off of absolutely nothing. If this thing holds. Oh. That's never a good sign. It held the move. Wait a second. Oh, we're so bearish again. If this thing decides it wants to go up now. Wait, is that a setup? No, it's not. No setup. If this thing decides it wants to go up now, I will be very surprised. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. MGC? Closed above too. All right, we're gonna look for an entry limit buy of 3 right here. I think 3 is the answer, right? 82. MGC is $1 per tick. 280. It's a little bit too much, but we'll take the risk. It's a little bit riskier. Okay, well, it came back into where I thought it would.
Order filled. Order filled.
263. That's a little bit steep for me. Especially with the conundrum I'm in. I might exit a contract up here, and then if it comes down to here, again, I might re-enter. If it comes up to there again. Nah, screw it. Just let it move. Stops me out, it stops me out. Let's go to MQ, see what that's doing. Closed above, actually. I think already moved up. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Now, there isn't any way you're going to show me a setup and then move straight down, right? This would be no bueno. The setup right here. Let's see if it holds it.
Order filled.
I don't even know where this thing could go. We're seeing 352 now. I don't like that. I really don't like that. That's fun though. We'll see where it goes. Again, if anyone has any questions, please let me know. I'm just kind of riding it out today. I'm really trying my best to pass this challenge with massive trades, which is not a smart thing to do, but I just don't have the time to trade right now, which sucks. It's holding. Gold moves so darn slowly. My take profit does need to be higher probably. High, low, high, low. Probably needs to be up to there for 600 to get a good risk to reward. I am going to exit some contracts, I think. If we make it up to here, I'm going to exit some contracts to improve the average of it. I'm going to exit 2 contracts because I don't want to really be risking $352. I only want to risk 200. This is a little bit steep for me, that risk amount. I need to see it come up a little bit more. My average for my first 2 contracts were up here. So I do need to see it come up to exit those 2. I never have a worry about it coming up to here. You rarely ever see it come instantly down without some sort of movement higher if it's showing this much strength initially. But I would prefer to not be in with this amount when it's not that high yield of a trade. It doesn't always yield that many returns. This is holding pretty well though. I'll give it that. I just don't know how high this thing can go, to be honest. Like if I'm targeting this, let me do my 50% thing. Because it won't come up there. It won't come up to 50. I think that's a good exit area if I'm going to target and exit. This is on gold, by the way. Which moves so gosh damn slow. Shoot. This is not good, guys. It's not good at all. It's not what I want to see. Let's go to MNQ. Because I still have bearish movement on that. I think if it's set up, is that a tick by a tick? No setup here. Negative 44. Negative 100? What is going on with MGC? Why are we getting so much of a pushback on a move higher? That closed pretty strong too. I don't know if I'm buying necessarily this is coming down yet. We'll see how this reacts. I feel like we have a little bit more of where it could go. There you go. It looks like we're holding. I want to see how this 500 tick closes. It's close. Yeah, that was the close.
Order filled.
Okay. It's fine with me. I guess that's a setup. It's a very weird one, but it is a setup, I guess, technically. Okay. Can we see some strength out of you, gold, please? Any? Oh, it's M&Q moving down. That's what's getting me into profit right now. Yeah. That's all it technically had to move, is that move right here. But I do think this thing will blast I think it will blast down pretty quickly. Starts to hesitate here, I'll be very surprised. Come on, MGC, do something useful. There's no way we're gonna move straight down to my exit, to my stop loss without any move upwards. Especially with how far we've moved down and what setup you're giving me. Like, look at how quick M&Q is moving, guys. Oh, never mind. I take it back. Not moving quick at all. Moving just as slow, if not more. At least one's moving pretty far down. Well, I'm going to keep that one. That one should work out. MGC is not working out much. I need to see some strength come out of this. Realistically, I should close the one that's not moving in the favor. Hey, Luna. What's up, dog? I'm up $9. I'm risking a lot more than this tracker looks like up here, guys. A lot more money. Showed me 2 setups. I really need to see this thing just drastically move down. Without a retest, please. That'd be please and thank you. Looks like MGC might be moving up now a little bit. Yeah, that's a lot better. MGC, thank you for showing me some sort of movement up. Now, if only both of them could show strength, that'd be sick. Gold moves up, M&Q moves down. M&Q moves up, gold moves down. Come on, gold. Show me some strength. I don't foresee that gold's going to be ending up working out. I might need to just exit gold and let M&Q move. That's the one that's moving in the direction. I'm still negative, even though this is $130 in profit, because the other one's not moving in my favor at all. And I'm risking more on the other trade for gold. This is going to come up, grab this high. Shoot, dude. Just no strength. Just none. It's instant movement down. It's crazy. It's actually crazy. Whenever it does this without a continuation follow through, it's just not good. It never holds. I need to exit that one probably, but we're gonna see if M and Q can carry it to a break even. That's a good setup. That's a good additional setup to add to this position.
Order filled.
Now I'll exit 2. I'm gonna exit 2 right here. Stop sell for 2. Oh, not 3, 2. Just because I added 2 and that lowers my entry. Is gold? I think gold's carrying this a little bit. I think gold's moving up a little bit now. I think gold's, yeah, gold's showing me some sort of strength. Can it save this move at all? Because M and Q showing me weakness. Probably should have not added that position, but... And it failed too. That's what makes it even worse. Sorry, I know it's annoying, guys, me switching back and forth on these, but I'm just being very careful. This is not moving in my favor, and to be honest, this could easily just fake out, come back and grab this high one more time, if not even more of a high up here. I would not be surprised that's what this is doing right now. This did not move as far as I wanted it to. It should have moved a lot quicker. MGC is the thing that needs to save me now. If gold can move up, that's really good. If gold shows any retest, then most likely this account's dead. This thing just decided it wanted to sprint its way upwards. It's annoying, dude. That's really annoying. It's so annoying. Oh, this is so dead, guys. Both these trades are dead. It's going to stop me out completely. Did MGC die, just completely die as well? I mean, it's just not moving. That's the issue. It's not showing me any movement. Dude, it's about, this thing's 100% stopping me out.
Order filled.
That's ridiculous. God, this has been a bad day. Trying to recover on this. Showing me strength here. It really just matters. Let's see how this reacts here. Man, that really sucks for M&Q. That's crazy. It's close. It's holding below, like. Oh my god.
Order filled.
It better not come straight down, dude. Dude, what the fuck is going on? What the
Order filled.
I'm dead. My account's dead, guys. It's over. It's over. I'm gonna tilt my way down with this one. What world is going on with these accounts? Oh my god, it just... I don't have words.
Order filled.
Just need to see this go down at this point. I'm gonna get stopped out, though. Bye-bye, guys.
Order filled.
No. All right, let me get to my actual Express account. I actually do think this is a valid trade.
Order
so we're
filled.
gonna let this move. What am I risking? 29. Let's do 2 more. 2 more, I think.
Order filled.
49. That's what I want. 50. And then target a 100. For an actual trade.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm quitting. I gotta get off. This is just random trading at this point. You guys have a great day. I'll try again later.